Morning folks, thought I'd give you a quick insight into having spent my time for the last couple of weeks and what's involved at the start of the day. So you think driving the combine is glamorous, this is about the worst part of it. So you can see behind me, this has spent half a day on wheat and half a day on barley yesterday. So we'll have a look at what we need to be doing to it. So we've already got all lumpened up. So under the covers here, it's all rather dirty and dusty, just ripe for catching fire. Just looking around, checking for any damage. We did have an incident earlier in the year where a belt guard hadn't been adjusted properly. It got a bit hot, but we spotted that. Sometimes we tend to use the compressor fitted to the combine. Also have a cordless leaf blower for doing this. I find that's plenty adequate enough for daily blowdowns. And check the belt tensions are still alright. Got the two red indicators there which should be slightly overlapping, meeting each other. That one was adjusted yesterday. So new belts fitted, running all the way down to the front at the start of the season. Just got a small area of wheat left to do, and spring barley and some winter linseed. I'm not going to try and climb up the top one-handed. There's plenty of places of dust to lay on here. Not much greasing up to do, just two banks in there. And a couple on the other side. We'll lift it up in a little bit at the front and clean out the stone trap. Any debris or stones which won't fit through combine went. It's not as dirty as it used to be, thanks to the vac on the front here. There we go. Get that blown down. Making sure we make good use of the air-fed helmet, the coveralls. Right, all blown down. You can see it's a lot cleaner under here now. No piles of chaff or dust laying on anything. Should mention I'd already checked the oil and fluids before we started doing this. There's just a couple of pumps and grease in the various places. Get the side panels on, and it's ready to go. So grease wise on this side, just one little bang up there. One there, and one in there. Right, so all back together now. You can see a couple of bits to do in the cab with it. So some people may ask why we do this first thing in the morning. It's basically so we're not blowing hot chaff around on the combine last thing at night where it could lay for a few hours unattended. Seems to make sense to us. So we just got to wait for the computer to booster up in there now. I tend to do this bit every day. These beeps get annoying in the end. Can take a while. Come up the side. So we've got counters in here. See, that one's got 2 hours left on it, which is the daily. Just reset that. That's updated to today's date. Got 25 hours left of the 50 hour. 75 of the 100 hour. I've reset them already this year. We'll see when the others were reset. So we'll be going back into one field of wheat over there. It's a mixture of spring and winter wheat around some trial plots. That'll be a bit later today when I've got someone from the trials company with me. Make sure I get the right bits. So I may try and get some drone footage of that, which I'll include in this video. If not, I'm going to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. There may be some farming simulator content back on the channel shortly, once things quieten down here. So we've got about 3 or 4 days combining left. But for now, thanks for watching. See you again next time.